Hi guys, welcome to Cindy in LA. I had some issue with YouTube, so I had to upload this video again. So if you already watched my video, you can skip this one. This is Beverly Hills. I came here to compare Kelly 28, Sellier, and Retourne. So if you are interested in this content, please stay tuned. So mine is Kelly Sellier 28, gold color, gold plated. My friend has Kelly 28, same color, same size, but Retourne. Let's take a look quickly. So when you see the whole look, mine is Sellier, which is outstitch, so it looks very structured and formal. And the leather is Epsom, which is very sturdy. And the other bag, this is evergreen leather. It has very soft feeling. Since the Retourne is in stitch, so it looks a little bit small and also casual. When you see from the top, you can see the Sellier is longer. And when you see from the bottom, definitely you can see the Sellier is longer. The reason Sellier is longer and Retourne is shorter is the Retourne is folded from inside and stitched from inside. That's why it's shorter. How about from the side? Sellier has more structured look, but Retourne has a more rounded corner, so it looks casual. About the leather, Epsom is resistant to scratch compared to evergreen, but it's very lightweight and easy to clean with cloth. Also hardware, mine is gold-plated, more luxurious look. The other bag has palladium hardware, so it looks more chic and also it has casual vibe. So which one is your taste? Let me check inside. It has two-tone inside different color. I've seen evergreen and swift leather. They have two-tone which has different color inside. Mine is same color inside. Let me show the more shot of two bags. Which one looks better on me? This is Retourne and this one is Sellier. Sellier has pretty much more structured look and Retourne has casual look. Which one do you like? Hope you enjoyed my video today. I do fashion lifestyle in LA, from hermes to Zara. So if you are interested in any kind of content like this, please hit the subscribe button, give it a thumb and turn the notification. Bye!